In this video, you will learn how to test for normality in SPSS. When analyzing differences between groups using parametric tests like the independent samples test, one-way ANOVA, and others, they all have a common assumption. And the common assumption is that the dependent variables is approximately normally distributed for each group of the independent variables. That is, each dependent variables should be normally distributed among the independent variables. So there are two broad methods of assessing normality. The first one is using numerical methods like z-score, Shapiro-Wilk tests, and the rest, while the other method is using graphical methods like visual inspection of histogram. Whichever one suits you, you can use, but most times we use the numerical method. Alright, so the process or the procedure of testing for normality is what we're going to be doing in this video, how to test for normality. So now, this is our data. We want to show you the procedure on testing for normality. Click data, click analyze, then descriptive statistics, then explore. Alright, so we have gender, which is the independent variable, and engagement, which is the dependent variable. So we move engagement to the dependent list, and we move gender to the factor list. Alright, so next we click on plots. Alright, so we untick stem and leaf, and tick histogram, and also tick normality plots with tests. Then we leave factors, levels together. We leave this at none. Then we continue. Then click OK. And then they display the results. SPSS displays the results. So these are results. In our next video, I'm going to explain how to interpret these results, both the numerical method and the graphical method. For more tutorials, subscribe, like, and share and comment. Thank you.